Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Steam to your PayPal account. So the thing is that Steam doesn't provide an option where you can transfer your funds from Steam to PayPal account, but what you can do is if you have money in your Steam wallet, you can buy a gift card for one of your friends, and they can send you the money through your PayPal account. So if you just go, you select a random game, let's say Euro Truck Simulator 2, and you have this option purchase as a gift. So you can select from your friends list to who you want to send this gift, and let's say we want to select this person, and then continue. And right here you just have to insert their name. You can send them a message right here, and let's say have a good day or something like that. And right here you have to insert your signature, and right here you can select from this list your sentiment, and then hit continue, and you will be transferred to the page where you can make the payment right here, and you can select to make the payment with the money on your account. If you have money, right now I don't have any money in my Steam wallet, so this option is not available for me. But if you have money in your Steam wallet, you can pay with your Steam wallet, and then you can give your PayPal email to that person so they can transfer you the money for the gift you purchase. So guys, this is all for today, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.